Get off.
1033.
1033.
Get on.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Bro, I'm on the ground.
No.
What? I'm not resisting.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Get on the ground. You're gonna get.
I'm not resisting.
Stop pushing up.
I'm not.
Stop.
I can't breathe.
You're gonna get tased again. Put your arm behind your back.
I'm trying to, y'all.
No, you're not.
Get back.
Get back.
Babe, call my mom.
Quit tensing up.
I'm not tensing up.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
All right, it's hooked.
Call mom, babe.
Take the board. Stand by, Mary. All right,
Can I please sit up? Please, can I sit up?
Yes, in just a second. Sit your feet up.
Babe, pull the bike in so they don't impound it.
Back, no, get away from the bike.
No, it's in my yard.
Get back.
I'm not.
Get in the car.
Sir, fucking stop.
You're gonna stop fighting.
I'm not. I'm trying to talk.
Unit coming.
Sir, can you please
in.
stop? Can you please stop, sir? Can I talk to my people?
Get inside.
Can I talk to my people?
Get in the car.
Sir, can I talk to my people?
Get that bike. Get that bike.
Where you get that bike?
Fucking yard. Fucking me. Get the fuck out my yard. Fuck.
What are you doing, sir? He's not even trying to do nothing, man.
Bro, you're some real fucking piece of shit. This is my fucking yard. Babe, how many fucking times did I tell you let's fucking go?
Man, I can get a fucking sit in our yard. What you mean? This is my yard, sir. I ain't putting nothing down.
Don't touch anything. Put it down. Put it down.
This is my yard, sir.
Put it down.
I ain't putting nothing down.
You fix it.
What you put me down for? Stand off me, boy.
Stop.
What's wrong with you?
Stop.
Do it.
Get out of my yard. Get out of my fucking yard. Now, get the fuck out of my yard.
No, sir.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
No, I did not.
Stop. Stop.
I am, sir. But what you doing to me, man? For no reason,
No,
sir.
I told you to stay back. You grabbed the body camera and started
I
taking
know. I
off.
don't even have your body camera,
No,
man.
I got it from you after I
I know.
told you
I
to
got the
stop.
phone. I picked up the phone, sir.
Stop.
I can get your
Stop. Stop.
All right, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Stop.
All right.
All of this is for nothing.
Now
Now you're going to cop a charge.
Why am I gonna charge you? I didn't even
For
do
theft.
nothing.
You got any weapons
You
on
man,
you?
what the fuck?
You got any weapons on you?
Just back up.
Bud,
Up.
you got any weapons on you?
No, man.
Stand up.
I can't see. Look, you keep calm down with me.
Come on.
I told you why. You grabbed his body camera, you started to take off. That's a theft. Yes, you did. It's on camera, bro.
I'm not doing nothing.
Walk.
Just calm down.
Just walk.
I am, but you gotta get up.
Pull him away.
How can I pull, man? This guy's phone.